Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you something that has to do with the fall, with the season, and I like how the nature turns into different colors, and well, I thought it would be nice to make a garland out of different kinds of leaves and maybe also different kinds of colors. And the first one I want to show you is the plane tree leaf. And this is the front and this is the back. I crocheted with acrylic yarn. It's a thin yarn, this one. I'll show you. And you can also use cotton yarn or maybe a thicker yarn. This is thin, so the leaf is small. But I'm going to show you how you can crochet this leaf with a thicker yarn. You can see the difference over here. So the leaf I'm going to show you is going to be bigger. So let's get started. I've got my yarn and a crochet hook 5mm, and first we are making a magic circle and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This counts as a double crochet, and in a magic circle we are making 11 more double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If I'm going too fast for you, just pause the video and then play it again when you are done with the 11 double crochets. Well, my videos are made for people who are familiar with crochet stitches, and I don't want to make my videos too long, and well, I just recommend to learn how to do the basic stitches and then do the patterns or well, the stitches I'm showing you on my YouTube channel, so you won't get frustrated when I'm going too quick for you. But you can also adjust the speed of the video with the little wheel in YouTube. You can slow down a video or even maybe speed up the video. So that's what I want to say when I'm going further with this pattern. So in total you are having 12 double crochets because the chain 3 counted as a double crochet too. So in that 1, 2, 3rd chain, go through both loops, make a slip stitch. And for the next round, chain 3, this counts as a double crochet, and in that same stitch make a double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and in every next stitch make 2 double crochets. So you are increasing this row with 1 more double crochet in every stitch. So you had 12, and in this row you need to have 24. So 2 double crochets in every next stitch. So I'm gonna speed up a little and just crochet 2 double crochets in every stitch, and then pause the video and then come back when you are at the end and see how you can close this round and then go to the next one. I have to count if I have 24 now, because I talked through my crocheting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24. Yes, I have 24 double crochets. So now in the top of your chain 3, make a half double crochet. Okay, so for the next round, you made a half double crochet in here, or a slip stitch, I'm sorry, make a slip stitch, and then skip the next stitch, and in the next one you can see these are the chain 3 and 1 double crochet in 1 stitch, so it's a group of 2. You are skipping those, and in the first of the next 2 double crochets on top of that we are making 7 double crochets. So we do not have to chain any numbers, we go right into this stitch and make 7 double crochets in 1 stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then skip the next stitch, and in the next one make a slip stitch. So you made 7 double crochets over here and secured it with a slip stitch, so it's nice and flat onto your crochet work. And now let's skip the next stitch, and in the next one make 7 double crochets. And 7, and then skip the next stitch, and the next one make a slip stitch, and just repeat this 3 more times. So you need to have 5 of these half arches. So skip a stitch in the next one, crochet 7 double crochets. So let's speed it up a little bit. And then 7, skip a stitch, in the next one a slip stitch, skip a stitch, in the next one 7 double crochets, skip a stitch, in the next one a slip stitch. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, just one more time, skip a stitch, and in the next one 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Just pause the video and come back when you are done with your last arch. And now skip a stitch, and in the next one make a slip stitch. In the next stitch make a single crochet, and now chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is going to be the stem of your leaf. Now skip that first stitch, in the next one make a slip stitch, and in every next stitch make a slip stitch. So in the next stitch, your stem is done now. In the next stitch over here, make a single crochet. And in the next one, make a slip stitch. So it looks like this now. Here's your stem, this is your leaf, and now you have to do one more row. Okay, so in the next stitch here, make a single crochet, and then we are here with this 7 double crochets. So in the first one, make a single crochet. In the second one, make a single crochet, and in the third one, make a single crochet. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So the next one is the center. We are making 3 half double crochets. So 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 3 half double crochets. Now chain 3, and in that first chain, so 1, 2, 3 down from your needle, go through both loops, make a slip stitch, and then in that same space where you made your 3 half double crochets, make 1 more half double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, that's your last double crochet from your 7 double crochets, make a slip stitch. Okay, so in the next stitch, make a single crochet, and in the next 3 stitches, is 1, 2, 3, that are the 3 double crochets, make a single crochet, and then we are at the 4th double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 left, and this is the middle one. We are making 3 times a double crochet, so no half double crochets but double crochets. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. Then chain 3. In that first stitch, so count 1, 2, 3 down. At first stitch, make a slip stitch. That will be the points of your leaves. And in that same stitch where we did the 3 double crochets, make 1 more double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet. And in the next stitch is the last double crochet from the previous rounds, make a slip stitch. Now in the next stitch, make a single crochet. To your next 2 stitches, make a double crochet. And in the next stitch, that's not the center, but in your 3rd double crochet from your 7 double crochets, make a 2 double crochet, so yarn over twice, and then in this stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that 1 more time. So 2 double crochet, and I hope I say this correctly. Then chain 3. In that first chain, make a slip stitch, and then 2 more 2 double crochets, or maybe it's a triple crochet. I think it's a triple crochet you call it. So yarn over twice, in that same stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then 1 more triple crochet. I think it's called this. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but if you see the video, you see what we are going to do. Okay, so I have to pause the video here because my battery is low, and I will be back with you when the camera is charged. Okay, so I'm back. In the next stitch, make a double crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet. In the next stitch, make a single crochet. And in the next stitch, make a slip stitch. In the next stitch over here, make a single crochet. In the next stitch, that's your first double crochet from your 7 double crochets. Over here, make a single crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet. And then chain 3. And then in the first stitch over here, so count back 1, 2, 3, make a slip stitch. And in that same stitch where we made a double crochet, make 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. In the next 4 stitches, make a single crochet. And in the next, that's the last double crochet of your 7 double crochets over here, make a slip stitch. In the next stitch, that is in this one, so not in that first double crochet but here, make a single crochet. And in your first double crochet from your 7 double crochets over here, make a single crochet. In the next stitch, make a half double crochet, chain 3, and in your first chain, so count down 1, 2, 3, here is your first chain, make a slip stitch, and in that same stitch where we made the half double crochet, make 3 more half double crochets. In the next 4 stitches, make a single crochet. In your last stitch, make a slip stitch. And then just cut your yarn and weave in your ends, and then your plain tree leaf is done. So you can see it's bigger now, so I have to turn it a bit so you can see it in the hole. You can see the difference between a crochet hook number 5 with that yarn and with a thinner yarn, and I used a crochet hook number 3 millimeters, so you can see the difference. It's nice to block your work if you want your leaf to be nice and crisp. So block your work with some needles, maybe in your ironing board, or maybe if you have a blocking tool, then do it on that, so your leaf will be nice and crisp and the edges are nice and sharp. So this is the first leaf of maybe a few more leaves I want to show you for fall, and I want to make a garland out of it, so we get fall inside of our house and not just outside. And I hope you liked it. If you do not want to miss any of my new videos, then subscribe to my channel and put on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me them, and I hope I can answer them as soon as I can. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.